Play. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Hi guys, this is Aria, and she played for you partially Sonata by Scarlatti, and it's Andante Comoda. And Aria is gonna share with you some tips what she was learning today with me. And right, Aria, say hi and share, please, what we learned today. Very important, 2 things. Can you please?
The first thing is fingerings are very important, and it's better to learn them the right way first than having to go back and correct them. And the second thing is we learned is about gravity, and to make so when you for thirds. So when you do your thirds, your hand is nice and loose, and it goes right down on the keys you want it to go.
Yeah, so we were working on the 2 subjects for interval thirds, which I will demonstrate now. And you're gonna find me in a kind of strange position of playing, but I want to keep the covers open. So I enjoying today watch how the hammer's working, and I'm gonna do my best, I guess, using book like that. So interval thirds were this. Actually no, not comfortable. Can you hold the book for me like that? Okay. So I'm gonna play right from interval thirds here. Considering it will be very fast, something like. So what we were doing, like I explained, we need to use lots of gravity. Even we were talking about like hopping bunnies, hopping froggies. Last time I asked Arya to play staccato. Today we decided we need more non-legato, so eventually it will be fast. Something like this. And thank you, Arya. Thank you guys for watching, and we hope you learned something from us. Goodbye.
Bye.